Hey there, it's Mark Weiss. I hope you're having a good day and are unfazed by the news that we're seeing a record number of auto repossessions, that interest rates are higher than they've been in 20 years, that a close to 100-year-old giant trucking company, the largest in the country, just decided to file a straight liquidation bankruptcy, and so on. Oh, plus consumer debt is at apparently decades highs. Which leads me to talk about something that I probably haven't talked about in 20 years, and that is the sort of urgent need for medical groups to stay on top of collections. We're talking two kinds of collections. We're talking both payer collections, because even though payers apparently are having banner years, they are in many cases slowing down in terms of their processing of claims and in terms of their payment of what is due, even under a payer agreement. And certainly we're talking about collections from individuals, from patients. Many groups, especially the hospital-based groups, completely outsource these activities. While the mechanics, the process can be outsourced, the responsibility for staying on top of this, for monitoring it, for making sure that those in charge of collecting are indeed collecting, can't be outsourced. That's the case whether you're a solo physician with one staff member at the front desk who is supposed to be collecting, or whether you're a group of hundreds of physicians plus hundreds of other professionals with completely, quote, outsourced billing and collection services. Stay on top of this. The other dynamic, which of course affects your finances, is the continued legislation in terms of the collection area, the No Surprises Act, for example, and other perhaps well-intentioned patient protections that have made economic life not just difficult, but downright precarious for many groups. I'm thinking of the bankruptcy of Envision Healthcare, as well as the complete closure of American Physician Services, a large physician staffing company. You don't want that to happen to you.